Welcome in once again to Fresh Off the Crypto, where we analyze the current polls, trends, and forecasts of the crypto markets. Destroy that like and subscribe button. Let's grow this channel to 1,000 subscribers, 1K. Guys, let's get it. I appreciate it. Guys, here we have the Fear and Greed Index, currently at 82. Extreme greed. But honestly, in 1 hour and 41 minutes right there, we expect this to revisit the 90s, honestly. If not today, then tomorrow. But the markets have been exploding in price, especially Bitcoin achieving a new all-time high in price, guys. Insane. Not just a technical high, but superseding the all-time high considerably, as we'll discuss in today's charts. We do see here, yes, I mean, a clear uptrend. The trend is your friend until the end. We can clearly see that the charts have a strong trend here towards the upside. And yeah, we reached 90 the other day. I believe today, if not tomorrow, we're going to be revisiting these levels and actually reaching, you know, the top of the line here. Right there, extreme greed into the 90s. Things are getting exciting, but they're getting overheated, so we'll definitely discuss that in the charts. But before we get to the charts, guys, we see that Bitcoin is at $72,723. Insane. Up about a 1% in the last hour, up 5, almost 6% in the last 24 hours, and up almost a whopping 8% in the last week. Insane. Volume is skyrocketing. Man, let's dig in. Here, last time we were talking about, we were down here, just spiking up initially in our last market watch, and now we spiked up into a new all-time high, guys. Insane what's going on with Bitcoin's price, literally going parabolic, literally. Look at this chart, the pure definition of a parabolic advance move on Bitcoin. We can see over 70,000 here. We're gonna just check the charts, but we see market cap is up almost 6%. to $1.43 trillion. Insane. And volume wise, wow, doubling up in volume overnight, up 100% in the last 24 hours to $66 billion being moved, being transferred over on the Bitcoin network. Just insane, man. Insanity going on with Bitcoin right now at all-time highs in price. Crazy. Just 4 or 5 months ago, we were talking about Bitcoin in the 20,000s, and now it just made a new all-time high. Insane. Usually once Bitcoin makes a new all-time high, it just continues on up. So actually, let's dig into the charts. As we can see on the daily chart, wow, we've officially broken any previous all-time highs before with this candle, clear wick, showing that buy pressure coming into the markets here, just piercing through that $69,000 to $70,000 level, and now heading up towards the $72,500 to $73,000 a pop. I mean, we continue overextended here on the RSI, but Bitcoin doesn't care. We see the stochastic, we have another cross towards the upside. So let's see. I mean, it might go for it and attempt to close higher than 87 into the 90s on this swing move. It's insane what's going on with Bitcoin. Historically, before the halving, it's the first time that we see Bitcoin actually exceeding such price levels, like an all-time high, things of that nature, before the halving. But it's intense, man. On the weekly, we do see same deal. This weekly candle looks bullish, man. It looks extremely bullish, making support at the previous all-time high of 69 to 69.5, as we can see here. And now this weekly, it's attempting to just, man, to pierce up towards eventually the triple digits, man. It's insane what's going on. Again, on the weekly, we do see that we have no stochastic cross towards the downside yet. Has potential to come up here and remain here for a couple of weeks up here with regards to momentum. And yes, we're extended on the weekly, guys. Almost tapping 90. I mean, who knows? It might reach 95 from here on out to the next couple of weeks, but we're overextended. That's the only worry, that we're overextended, but we're at all-time highs. Usually once we pierce through an all-time high, Bitcoin's price continues just parabolic advance. Literally, the buy pressure is too much. These candles have been green and strong, and a lot of excitement, man, a lot of exuberance coming into the markets due to a new Bitcoin all-time high. Never gets old. Every time it happens, the same reaction from investors, because we're all humans. We get emotional, and that's why we need to control our emotions. As we do see this monthly chart, same deal. We haven't closed a monthly candle still above the previous high, but we're attempting to do it right now. As we discussed in our last market watches, we do see here that we can spend quite some time up here, maybe, you know, even heading into next month and the halvening, we'll see. And here on the regular RSI, we do see that we're currently at 77, still room to continue going up, maybe even up until 90. So we're going to keep our eye out for that. But again, I mean, who knows, we might have a retracement, then have that next leg up. We're closely watching this chart on the monthly. Look at that, 1 2 3 4 5 6, currently on our 7th bullish monthly candle. Insanity right now in the Bitcoin markets, but we're here to make sure that you guys stay informed with these, you know, tad bit videos here, just a couple of minutes to make sure that you guys continue to be updated. Guys, link in the description down below. Make sure you check out our links here. Destroy the like and subscribe button, as it really does help out the channel to continue to grow on our path, on our way to 1,000 subs. Guys, let's get it. Guys, if you made it this far out into the video, you guys continue to be the straight MVPs. Guys, thank you so much for your time, for your support, for your attention. Stay fresh.